Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I want to show you 4 simple ways how you as a man can look better in pictures, or how you as a photographer can instruct your man to look better in pictures. So grab yourself something to drink, I have my cup of tea ready, and let's get into the video.
Because you don't know who you're gonna be, who you're gonna be, who you're
The first tip I can give you is look into the distance. On one hand, you as a model, it's less awkward because you don't have to look directly into the camera. And for the other guy, or for the other person, or for the other people looking at your image, at your pictures, they're like, where is this guy looking at? What is there something interesting? It's mysterious, it's kind of like a goal-oriented guy. So a lot of traits people associate with someone looking into distance. And a lot of times these are very masculine traits. So it's very interesting how just looking into the distance creates a cool effect. The second tip I have for you guys is use your hands. And what do I mean by use your hands? Use your hands in your pictures. Because the reason why a lot of pictures are awkward is because people don't know what to do with their hands. And a simple things you can do with your hands is fix your clothing, play with your jewelry, fix your hair, or kind of like anything else, or rub them in each other. It doesn't matter. Just use your hands in your pictures to create a more dynamic look and not a static, weird mannequin look in your pictures. The third tip I have for you is use props in your images. And what do I mean by using props in your images? I mean use something you can hold in your hands or you can show. It gives you as a model more character, more background information on what you enjoy doing, what's your life about, who you are as a person, and it makes the picture more dynamic. You can use anything you want. You can use, maybe in my cases, I did my self-portraits with a cup of tea and a guitar. If you haven't seen the video, just check it out. But you can do other things as well. You can hold a camera, you can throw a jacket over your shoulder, or even if you might be into cars, you can pose with your car. It gave so much more detailed information about who you are as a person and makes the picture look even better than just standing there. The last tip I can give you guys is not particularly a tip for the model, but more for the photographer. Take the pictures from a lower angle. You may ask why? 3 simple reasons. First of all, your model will appear taller, and you want that. Second of all, it creates kind of like a dominance of the model, like a male dominance, and most of the times that looks very attractive. And the third reason is the model looks like a guy of status, like this guy is above other people, this guy is more powerful, and this guy knows what he's doing. These are 4 tips I think are very simple and useful for every guy to appear better in pictures. If you want to add anything, maybe a 5th tip, just let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to read them. That's it for today. If you enjoyed watching, like the video and consider subscribing. I see you in the next one. Bye!